mountain and at the top there is a big hole. Sometimes some hot stuff called magma, it came out from deep inside the earth. Now Ronak will tell you how it's works.
Now I will show you how it's works. First I shall put some baking soda in volcano. Then I will put some vinegar and volcano. Now you can see the liquid is came out from volcano. This liquid is called magma.
Assalamualaikum. This is the model of volcano. A volcano is like a big mountain with hole at the top. Sometimes hot stuff called magma from deep inside the earth out through this hole. Now Abbas tell you how it's work.
Now they put the baking soda in volcano. The vinegar and my volcano.